So this should be the upper and lower radiator hose. This looks like the lower radiator hose. Part number. Okay, cool. That's the upper or top radiator hose. Part number. Yeah. We'll replace those eventually, you know. It's not a rush right now, but I do have them, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm blacking out the mesh part of my grill. I'm gonna put a render or edited photo that I did up here. Of how I think it'll look. And I like this, so I'm gonna try it. I mean, if it don't look right in reality in real life, I'll just mask it back off and spray it back chrome. So yeah. Also, like, look. Remember the hose that I just put on last video? The thermostat, the cooling hose. I ordered 2 of them. One silicone, better, hold high temperature, and this is the OEM one. It just came in today. I was been waiting all week for this hose, man. Anyway, she been idling for a while, warming up. About to turn it off now. It's real early. I told you I was going to show y'all the bands. I'm going to get even more footage for y'all later, but look, it was a lot of chrome around the window trim. That's all gone. Looks fire like that. The emblem. Gotta get that S550 put back on there. The chrome around the door handles was gone, deleted. Definitely fire. For sure. See if I can get a little baby cold start. Oh shit, I sat on some. Take some pictures. Y'all gonna see them on the gram later. Yeah. For sure. Just wanted to do this little personal photo shoot. I think it's a dope spot. So. Yeah. Alright, so apparently if you get your oil from FCP Euro, there's this lifetime warranty, so you can always take out the old oil, right? Bottle it up, seal it, make sure everything is good, send it back, and they refund you. You just gotta pay for shipping, which is kind of crazy. So I'm gonna get an oil change today. I'll be sealing this up soon, sending it back soon to see how it goes, and we'll go from there. That licky molly. They send you everything, the filter, the oil, obviously. Yeah. So this video, man, has been all over the place. This is like days and weeks apart, but look, I'm gonna put the video together for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the oil change, and yes, sir. So my check engine light came back on. This car is a piece of shit. I don't know, bro. I guess I gotta find this vacuum leak. Whatever. But I'm gonna still get the oil change though, and then we'll go from there, I guess. This too. All right, y'all. So I appreciate y'all watching the video. The car is a mess. It drives good, then the engine light comes on, and then it's just a lot of BS. So anyway, we're gonna try to get this sorted out. I guess maybe I got some sensor issues. Could be a vacuum leak still. My main mechanic is very busy and doesn't really have time to deal with the car right now. So it is what it is. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Be easy.